Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where I talk about all things Heartland. Today, I have some amazing news for you. Borden is back in Heartland Season 17. Yes, you heard that right. The beloved character who died in the Season 14 premiere is alive and well in the latest season of the show. How is this possible, you ask? Well, sit back and relax because I'm going to tell you. Before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time. Everything you need to know about Borden's resurrection in Heartland Season 17. First of all, let me give you a quick recap of what happened to Ty in the previous seasons. As you may remember, Ty was diagnosed with a rare and deadly virus that he contracted while working as a veterinarian in Mongolia. He returned to Heartland in Season 13, but his condition worsened and he was hospitalized. In the Season 14 premiere, he passed away in Amy's arms, leaving behind his wife and daughter. His death was a huge shock for the fans and the characters who had to deal with the grief and loss of their loved one. However, in Season 17, we learned that Ty's death was not what it seemed. In fact, he was not really dead, but in a coma induced by a secret organization that wanted to use his blood to create a cure for the virus. The organization faked his death and took him to a hidden facility where they kept him alive and experimented on him. Meanwhile, they also sent a fake body to Heartland for the funeral, which no one noticed because of the closed casket. The truth was revealed in the Season 17 premiere when Ty woke up from his coma and escaped from the facility. He managed to contact Amy and told her that he was alive and needed her help. Amy was shocked and overjoyed to hear from him, but also confused and angry about the deception. She decided to go find him and bring him back to Heartland, but it was not an easy task. She had to face many dangers and obstacles along the way, such as the organization's agents who were chasing them, Ty's weakened health condition, and their own emotional turmoil. The rest of the season follows their journey back to Heartland, where they hope to reunite with their family and friends. However, they also have to deal with the consequences of Ty's resurrection, such as how it affects their relationship, their daughter Lindy, and the other characters who mourned him. They also have to figure out why the organization wanted Ty's blood and what they plan to do with it. And of course, they have to face the question, how will they explain Ty's return from the dead? That's all I can tell you for now, without spoiling too much. If you want to watch Heartland Season 17 and see how Borden's resurrection unfolds, you can find it on CBC or Netflix, depending on your location. I highly recommend it if you are a fan of the show or if you love drama, romance, and horses. And if you do watch it, let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Heartland content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Until next time, stay safe and happy watching.